Hey everybody, good morning. So I'm here to show you guys my inserts. My son is right next to me because he's got to be by my side all the time. But I'm here to show you guys what I get in my inserts. A lot of you guys get different things. This right here I can tell is already lame. Look at this. Look at that. There's not one stupid coupon in here. That's it. Garbage. Ben, get off me for a second. So here is what is going to be in the Unilever, is what they usually call it, the Red Plum. Now just to give you guys a heads up, they are changing the name from Red Plum to Retail Me Not Every Day. So just giving you guys a heads up. So I don't know why they're doing that, but they are starting to do that. But here we got some Axe shampoo. It's buy one shampoo, or yeah, buy one body wash, get a shampoo for free. We got the dry spray. My kid is behind me being silly. Here we got men's Dove Care, 60 cents off of Lipton. Ben, can you stop it, please? $1, 50 cents off of Crock Pot or Country Crock. Here we got $2, $2, and $1 for Suave men's stuff, I think. Dove. More Dove. $1 off Suave. This is my favorite coupon when we get this. $1 off a children's product. I plan on getting some shampoo and conditioner, or shampoo with that stuff. I just gotta find it. $1 off 2 hair cares. Here we got $1.50 off of men's Vaseline and 50 cents off of that. $2 off of Tresemme. $2 off of the hairstyling stuff. Here we got Nexus. Sorry, my kid is licking me. Simple cleansing wipes. It's $1.50 off St. Ives. 40 cents off of Lipton. And some worthless ads and some worthless ads. Here is my Smart Source. So Ken's dressing. Now I do think when the Red Plum Retail Me comes not, I don't know if it's gonna change a little bit. I hope it does. But here we got $1 off of Kotex. Jones Natural Sausage, Welch's. This is a great coupon, 55 cents off of Mint Oreo, BioTrue, Bosch & Lomb, Spice Islands, Claritin, more Claritin, Carousel. I like these coupons. I think they're so cute how they're feet. Sorry if my camera's shaking. My kid's being silly behind me. 75 cents. Ben, stop. 75 cents off of the thin crackers. More Claritin. Bosch & Lomb. Eye stuff. Just some medicines. Vitamins. More health stuff. It's just all like healthy stuff. And then we got cheese. $1 off of cheese. Revlon Hair Care. Got $1 off Mitchum. 50 cents off of French's. Now I will be seeing a lot of deals on the mustard soon. So Fannie Mae. Checks that I could care less about. It's just garbage. Cost cutters. Here we got buy one get one free of the Schick razors. $3 off. More Schick coupons. More Bosch & Lomb. Here we got some Glade products. $1.50 off, and $2. And that is what is inside my inserts. Not the greatest, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.